Hi, my name is Laible. I'm a graduate student of biology at the University of Mainz in Germany. Today, my friend Kajohn and me would like to show you how to perform a homemade site-directed mutagenesis. The method was originally developed by Pfu et al. And was adapted by many others. So when you look on the internet today, you will find plenty of different protocols which differ in some more or less significant points. Today we would like to show you a simple and cost-efficient way that works for us well. So let's get started.
For this experiment, you need a thermostable proofreading DNA polymerase. We always use Pfu-Polymerase from fermenters. Logically, you also need the polymerase buffer, DNTP mix, and water. Further, you need the restriction enzyme DPN1, competent E. coli cells, an agar plate, bacterial culture broth, and a bunch of toothpicks. The most essential and critical part of this method is the design of the mutagenic primers. There are a few simple guidelines you must consider when designing your primer pair. The primers should be complementary to each other and between 25 and 45 nucleotides in length. The mutations are inserted in the form of mismatches to the original plasmid. The mismatches must be contained in both primers and should lie in the middle of the primer, flanked by at least 8 nucleotides.